Good morning. Today we are going to discuss idea generation. From where we have to generate the idea and also the identification of business opportunities and also market entry strategy, what we have to do to run your business, to run your enterprise successfully, what are strategies to be done for the market we have to going to discuss in this video. Actually, if we come all together, if we see product development process, the following are the steps we have to follow. Very first thing is idea generation, idea screening, concept development and testing, market entry strategies, business analysis, product development and market testing and commercialization. See, but in your syllabus 18 years 51, we are going to discuss only idea generation and market entry strategy, whereas earlier 17 years 51 other schemes it was having entire 7 steps of product development process. But we have to follow the syllabus. For that we are going to discuss only 2 points, idea generation and market entry strategy. But in class already we have discussed in brief all the 7 points. Idea generation of what? A product, a new product. Development process start with the search of idea. Idea comes in your mind, flow into your mind of a person, maybe an entrepreneur, a new startup person, or new startup person like you, students while studying, or new businessman from many sources. It may come from the customers, idea, their feedback, their problems, their problems, pain also, consumers and competitors. You are seeing the videos on TV, you are seeing TV competitors giving some advertisement. That idea comes to your mind. Maybe from the employee, he is approaching and telling this is supposed to be done like this, or maybe idea of the people who are basic science, they become scientists with some idea, research and invention, or any person from environment or any event or society facing problem. I always talk idea of what? Idea is nothing but idea comes into the mind to solve the problem domain of the people or product. Idea relate to problems of product or problems, product or people. Always problem comes, you are seeing problems either in product or in people. They are having the problems, and so that you are solving those problems, and that idea it comes to your mind, that gives you to start the enterprise. Product innovations for marketing concept. Innovations attitude of the marketer is expressed in the watchword, either you innovate yourself or die. Such an attitude must be an integral part of the marketing concept. See, you might have seen the companies they were on top, they were ruling around the entire business, they were having monopoly, but they slowly disappeared because timely they have not innovated themselves. So that's the things he told. So what is innovate? You have to innovate to survive into the market. You have to innovate yourself as a businessman So in different technology, different way of diversifications. Otherwise, you will die or people will make you to die. Such attitude is must for the integral part of the marketing concept. And I define innovations. What is actually innovations? When the change outside world, it become more than the change in your outside knowledge or in industry. Demand in outside world, technology wise, fashion wise, factor wise, anything in the customers, it become more. And the change in you are not changing. In the company interior, you are not changing to make their demand successfully. You are not innovating. That I tell you, that actually I define as an innovation. Even if the demand of your exam in the paper of whatever it is, you know that this type of model question paper will be there. Demand, your preparation is not there in your course while you are studying, that the change of your study, the level of is not matching with the level of change of the outside world, means exam demand, that definitely you will be failed. If you change yourself, innovate yourself, presentation very well, you present such a way that the people who are all studying, they are scoring well. I tell you, they are innovating themselves, studying differently, preparing differently, preparation and presentations is differently from others. And that is why they are success in the life. Drucker rightly says, because it is its purpose to create a customer, any business enterprise must have always two basic functions, marketing and innovation. Here, he says, always we have to think about marketing with innovation. To survive, you must be knowing that nowadays you keep changing your mobile every 6 months or 1 year, because you are seeing on TV, you are seeing advertisement, the latest features, configuration of the mobile or many other devices which you are having, maybe laptop, tablet, whatever it is, you are throwing old one and buying new one because of that features. That because of features, innovation of the configuration, innovation of facility, innovation of easy making to the customer point of view, that is marketing way of doing. Innovation altogether, we say that it is the best way of making enterprise to make the success with these two basic functions, marketing and innovation. All developed industries have an important role for innovation in their marketing and market penetration plan. Innovation alone assures growth and survival, while customer orientation assures survival. Beautiful. What it says, we have not only innovation you have to do, you have to make marketing with innovation, you have to make the things. Any changes you are bringing into your product to do the marketing, attract the customers, target users and consumers all together. There you have to penetrate. That is penetrating mind of the people, mind of the customers, so that they will be buying your product. Whenever they are waiting, when you come out with the latest features and they are waiting, they go in the queue and they buy the product in the queue. That we have seen Apple, we have seen Microsoft, other things, Reliance many times when they have launched the product. People want the queue hour together, they are paying premium also, and they were getting the things. Innovation alone assures growth and survival, while customer orientation assures survival. If you are innovating yourself, that brings the growth. But survival, that relate the orientation. Customer, how you are making orientation, that makes you survival in the business. you are making satisfaction of your survival, sorry, customer, your end users, consumers, that point of survival. Hence, new product innovation is a practical business function and is described as a process product management. And that we have discussed all 7 point process product management. The innovations is the very important things. Marketing innovation is the first product management system. Process of the product planning and development always adopted product innovation. Yes, planning and development always relate to adopted by the innovation with the product innovation only. Idea generations and market strategy development are the stage of new product development process only. So we discuss product development process. In that we have discussed idea generations. We made our idea generations, we have done our feasibility, we have done our viability of the product, we have set up is over, or infrastructures, everything is over, we have done all respect, finance, market, okay, then customers, okay, social, all feasibility, legal, everything we have done. But when we run the company, then before that, how to run a company successfully, that to be done by the top management people, we know that market strategy. Marketing expert people, they should say that where to target your customer, where to sell your product, where to throw your product altogether. Why the India market is known as scope of the future? Because the people knows it is a huge market. Everybody is coming to India and they are throwing their product. Like China, they are throwing product, all types of very cheap product. By even then people are, every types of people, poor, rich, middle class, everybody is buying the things based on their pocket. Market penetration. Okay, it involves very first market strategy is market. You have to penetrate the market. Penetrating, I tell you, I have seen this. How exactly penetrating is done. I tell you one example. I was using paste for my toothpaste. I was using brush. I am brushing with the Colgate, but I was feeling like, okay, 1 hour I am getting my teeth is little bit pain or it was giving irritation. I have changed other product, but I have changed, let us try Patanjali. I have taken Patanjali, may not sure it is very to everyone, I am not imposing my idea, but I am telling my experience. You believe or not, when I started using that paste, I was 10 hours also, I am not getting that feeling which it was getting after 2 hours before using other product. So that is happen. And now I tried sometimes others. Okay, so that is the things people to make cut off the price. They are not using proper salt in the product, which will really kill the germs of the teeth. They are just making advertisement. They are spending lakhs rupees and doing advertisement. But on product quality level of development of, they are not putting more money. But marketing, because they know that children will buy the tooth, their children, see, their skin is good, their teeth is good. For them, anything they do, nothing will happen to them. Okay? So this is the way people are doing it. So penetration is always required to penetrate the people who are having pain, where some customer pain, if you penetrate that pain, give a relief, you will get the market by selling more or prevent customer or gaining new product in the existing markets. That can be done. Next is market development. Present product is introduced to a new market and segment. It is a creation of new market. by discovering new application of existing good. I tell you. See, people, some goods they are having, but same goods, resources, everything is coming, but they are making innovation in that existing goods and making new pattern and they are selling it. People buy that. Minibus can be available for goods and passenger. The firm can offer, this is the example, the firm can offer its existing product to new market by expand market opportunity, product life, cycle, profitability and survive. So we have to make, see, generally some people, okay, they are having the mini bus morning trip they are doing for the schools and 10 o'clock they are using for the trip of the employee. So that is the way of doing how exactly we are making. Okay. More so, a maintenance, if the people are maintaining very good bus, okay, mini bus, definitely company will be giving hiring that bus. So we have to put money, earning more and put on maintenance. Product development. It occurs when a firm introduces a new product into the present market of their existing customer for the consumption of a new product. Yes, I tell you, existing customers always buy a new product launched by you people because they are they're habitual of buying your product and using it. So definitely once or they will try definitely, and they say it is true. If it is really good, they will keep buying it, and always that is known as monopoly and how exactly branding your name in the market. Market diversification, that fantastic. People in idea generation, from idea generation, we have four things: market penetration, market development, product development, and last is diversification. A person will die if the diversification is not happening in time. As the business like Wipro, they were in food product, child food product, then they come to Fancy Lights, finally they have come to Infosys, they have come for Infotech, information technology in computer software, they launched in 1984, and that way they are changing their business areas also. If one is going away, market is slipping from there, and there is more computers and other things, they are investing their money in new area. That is known as diversification, that to be done. Always you have to do it. It occurs, diversification, when a firm seeks to enter a new market with a completely new product. Such a firm has neither market expertise nor product knowledge. The firm may adopt a daring strategy by keeping new product for entirely marketing. Thank you very much.